Hey everybody, welcome back to GoronGuyReacts. Today we're reacting to Unusual Memes Compilation version 120 by Unusual Videos. I'm going to link the original in the description so you guys can check it out for yourself. That's basically it. I'm going to click play on this one in 3, 2, 1. Bam, Rody. I feel kind of bad for it. Probably should have done that. Oh, it's birthday time. Probably. Look how happy he looks. Yeah, I don't really have much of an intro.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, it's kind of cute.
He's cute. It's gonna jump at you.
Jolly in the head. Oh, but
That's the green game from a horror game or something. Make that into like the Wii Shop chanting. It's a rat. Is that a second rat? Wait, no, it's not. It's like a leaf or poop. I don't know. He did it, guys. Bonk. Boing. That's kind of a sick bed frame, though. Not gonna lie.
Somebody you didn't like. Did you breathe on them?
Unfazed. Put the knife down. Okay. Don't. Why? Don't do that. You're gonna. Donut. Donut. Yay. Hello, welcome to.
Hey, you got Miss Skip to my Lou over here. I don't know what the fuck is she doing.
This should have gone on for like way longer.
Okay, we're done.
Okay. At least you did it in moderation. Yeah, me too. Just shake it next time, like this birdie do. Taylor Swift. Don't pet me. He sounds like the exact same. Minecraft music's returned. He missed.
Because it keeps biting me.
That's cute. It's Jacques. What's he looking at? He's gonna do something really weird, isn't he? Yeah. Oh, is that the Queen of England? No, that's not the sound it makes. Amazing to think. His hair is alive. That is why why? I don't get it. I hate this video. It's so painful. Oh. Just wants him to stop when the flood kicks in. Oh. Oh no.
Hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you.
That's great.
Hey, green bean, look here, slow down, Cody. Oh, Lord.
I thought he said
Lord,
green
we need to have
bean.
the lamb. Boy, you shit on yourself.
Look at his butt.
Oh, Mac. Oh.
So I don't have like any fidget toys. This
It's
is
actually
the one
funnier without context. You're not crying. Shut up.
Don't like that.
I don't know. He just said it was. He just said it open.
Oh, come on. You're stupid. Are you eating your toy?
What are you videoing, bro?
This is dumb. Boom. It blew, guys. Thank you. That's sick, son. Who are these guys? You did it, guys. He just leaves. Dude, the cuts. He's getting his veggies on. And then this intimidating video. Sir, please delete that now. You have 5 seconds. Delete it now. That would probably ruin it, bro. Okay. What? No way.
Listen to the noise.
Look at his smile. Yeah. What was that screaming? Hello. Part of what? What process are you talking about? Bunny eating banana? It's not good night. It's 8:23 a.m. Okay. Anyway, that is it for Unusual Memes Compilation version 120. Again, I'll link the original in the description so you guys can go check it out for yourself. That's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.